Right, so today we're going to take a look at question 8, which was your homework. You had 7 and 8 for homework. And then I'm also going to do question 10, question 12, and then question 14, and then question 16. And I will get you guys to do 9, 11, 13, and 15. So that's my plan for this class. So we'll begin with question 8, and an electricity bill amounts to €135 after VAT at 12.5%. So 112.5% is equal to 135. Therefore 1% must equal 135 divided by 112.5. Therefore 1% must equal sorry, my calculator is buried. 135 divided by 112.5, which is equal to 1.2. So therefore 100% must equal to 1.2 multiplied by 100. So multiply that by 100, and that's equal to, so 100% is equal to €120. So the price without the VAT was €120. So that means there was €15 VAT. So that was question 8. Let's take a look now at question 10. So question 10. A greengrocer buys oranges for 80 cents and sells them for €1. Find his percentage profit. Okay, so he buys oranges for 80 cents and sells them for €1. So that means profit is equal to 20 cents. And then we want to express that number as a fraction of 80 cents. Or sorry, as a percentage of 80 cents. So we write it as a fraction first of all. So it's 20 over 80, that's the fraction. And to turn that fraction into a percentage, we multiply it by 100. So that's going to give us 25, is it 25%? 20 divided by 80 equals multiplied by 100 equals 25. So the answer is 25%. So just so you get this, guys, that if you put this part here into the calculator, you will get out 1/4, which is the same thing as 0.25. So each of those things are equal. Okay, so that's the skill that we had a few weeks ago when we were expressing one number as a percentage of a different number. Okay, on to question 12. A menswear store buys jackets for €320 and sells them for €400. Find the percentage profit the store makes. Right, so this time the profit is equal to 400 minus 320, which is equal to €80. And of course I should be working down the page, sorry about that. That's very primary school of me to be working very horizontal. So in secondary school we tend to work down the page rather than across the page. So that's €80. And then we want to express that number as a percentage of 320. So it's 80 out of 320, and then to turn that into a percentage, we multiply that by 100, and that gives us 80 over 320 multiplied by 100 is 25. So again, it's 25%. Okay, question 14. Oh, this looks like a long one. Question 14. By selling television sets for $720, a store makes a profit of 20%. Now, so 720, that's the same thing as 120%. That's what that first sentence is telling me. That the 720 includes the 20% profit. So it was 100%, and then we add on 20% onto that to find what we're actually going to sell it for. So the television would have cost $720 for a customer, but that includes the 20% profit for the store. So quite easily, we're looking for 100%. It's a bit like those VAT questions you had last night. So it's 1% is equal to 720 divided by 120, and then 100% is equal to 720 over 120 times 100. So that's equal to 600. So the store buys the televisions for 600 euro. If the store sold the television sets for 690 euro, do you call them television sets anymore? I don't think people call them television sets. If the store sold the television sets for 690 euro, what percentage profit would it make? Okay, so it's 690 minus 600 is equal to 90. So that's the amount of profit they make. But we want to express that as a percentage of 600. So it's 90 over 600 multiplied by 100 to give us the percentage. And that's equal to 90 fraction 600 multiplied by 100 equals 15. So it would make 15%. So if it sold them for 690, it's making 15%. And if it's selling them for 720, it's making 20%. If the store sold the television sets for 570, what percentage loss would it make? Okay, so loss this time is equal to 600 minus 570, which is equal to 30. So it's a 30 euro loss. So it's 30 over 600 times 100. And that's going to be 5, is it? And probably should do on a calculator just to check. 30 over 600 multiplied by 100 equals 5. Yeah, so 5%. They would make a 5% loss if they sold them for 570. So that was question 14. On to, how far did I say I'd go up? I said I'd go up as far as question 16. Okay, so I'll do 16 as well. Question 16. A garden centre buys azaleas for 11.50 and sells them for 14.95. Calculate the percentage profit it makes. So first of all, let's work out the profit. So it's 14.95 minus 11.50, which is equal to 14.95 minus 11.50 is equal to 3.45, 345. So that's the amount of profit they make, and then we have to express that as a percentage of 11.50. Multiplied by 100. So we write it as a fraction first of all, and then we multiply the fraction by 100. So it's 30. So it's 30%. So the shopkeeper makes a 30% profit on the azaleas. Are you okay with that? So I will, so for homework tonight, I will assign question 9, 11, 13, and 15. So have a go at those questions, guys, and I will actually see you tomorrow. We have a live class on Friday, first after big lunch. Okay, see you then. Bye.